Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Thomas, back with another video, and today at Drinks and Drip, we will be doing a Threadbeast unboxing. Now, if you don't know what they are, as you see, wait, the website, check them out, Threadbeast. They make, these boxes for you with, random pieces of clothing, and yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it, show you what I got. Woo! Alright. Wait. Yeah. This is the rules to a giveaway. If you wanna see that, show you that real quick. Packaging is very nice. I would show you, but I don't want to risk dropping it. The first thing, this shirt right here, very interesting. Don't know what brand this is, but G-Star, think it is. It's interesting. I don't really know what to expect from these, but we'll find out. Right here we got some socks. I'll unbox this. Okay, we got a pair of black and white socks here, I guess. Okay. More packaging. The heck? Banks Original. That's what they're called. This is big. Kinda like the logo. I like this part. This part right there. Don't know about this is really weird. I wouldn't say it's bad, but what the heck? Got some NASA shorts with the American flag on them. Don't. This is just nothing there. Huh. What in the world? Diamond supply? There's some weird looking shorts. They look like the, might get a picture up. The off-white, or the Supreme 5s, Jordan 5s. Like that texture. These are interesting. I like cargo shorts. And then got some Reebok. Oh gosh, see there. Goodness, what the hell? Jeans. They're slim trousers from Levi. Okay. So yeah, this is more like formal type clothing. And that's it. So, to run down, we got Levi. You got Reebok. You got the cargo shorts, which is actually interesting. These NASA. So, oh, these are okay. It's like swimming trunks. I went swimming yesterday. I could have used those. We got this. I don't know how I feel about the colors on that. Got the socks, which I guess it's good to have socks. Also have the white ones. And this is probably my least favorite. Oh gosh. There we go. Yeah, this was a little weird. I didn't know what I was expecting from this. It was okay. It wasn't really, it was more like formal type stuff. Not really streetwear, but like most of it was still interesting. Just like some of the shirts were a little weird to me. Overall though, I think that out of 5, this would be like a 2.5 or a 3. I think that's where it would go. Not the best, but not bad. Definitely could be better. If you want a Threadbeast box, you go to their website. www.threadbeast.com. Tell me what you think of this video. If you liked it, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below. Again, what did you think of the box? See you next time. Peace!